If you feel overwhelmed switching between different apps, tabs, and tasks every day, a tool like Pokee AI promises to simplify your workflow by listening to your instruction and doing work for you across all of your tools, apps, and accounts. In this video, I will explain how Pokee AI works, why some people are calling it a game changer, what kind of task it can handle, and whether it might really help you to get more done faster without all that mental load. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to try Pokee AI or access the possible benefits. You can check the link. By using the description link, any available perks that will be applied automatically, so you don't need to worry about missing out. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's talk about the Pokee AI. At its core, Pokee AI is an AI assistant and workflow automation platform that connects too many of the apps you use every day, such as email, calendar, documents, project management tools, communication apps, and even the social media platforms. What makes Pokee different from other AI tools is that it does not just generate text or summarize information, it can actually execute the task across multiple systems based on the instruction you give it in plain language. You don't need to write any code or build automation logic. You simply tell it what you want done and it figures out the steps and execute them on your behalf. For example, instead of opening a dozens of browser tabs to check your calendar, check emails, update your to-do list, or draft a social media post, you could ask your Pokee AI and it will do all of that. And it will plan the process and carry out the actions. You might tell it to summarize your unread messages, schedule the meeting based on the availability, update the task card in your project board, and even draft the post for your social media or the social channels, all from one instructions. This means you are not switching tabs and platforms manually, which saves a huge amount of time. One big reason people are excited about Pokee AI is because of its natural language approach. You don't need any technical skill. There are no complex workflows with dozens of nodes or API settings like traditional automation tools require. You just type what you want. It must like chatting with a colleague and the AI break down all of the requests into steps across your applications, plans them logically and executes them once you confirm it. Pokee AI connects too many popular tools such as Google Suite, Gmail, Slack, Notion, GitHub, social platforms, and others, letting it really operate in a broad ecosystem rather than staying inside one tiny space. It can help you with research, summarizing data, organizing documents, creating the social post, managing meeting, and even cross-posting content where needed. Many users appreciate how much the cuts down on repetitive tasks and mental switching between apps. That said, Pokee AI is still a relatively new type of product and not perfect. Some users say that while it's very powerful for many day-to-day tasks, the automation execution can depend on how clear your instructions are and how your apps are connected. Sometimes deep customization or very specific business logic can require careful prompting or extra setup before you get the exactly what you want. There are also some reports that pricing details and feature tiers that can be unclear until you explore the platform directly. Many people find the tool intuitive and helpful, but there is mention that advanced users may want even deeper customization or more control over how the tasks run. In basic use, Pokee AI feels like having a very smart digital assistant that listens, plans, and acts. But for truly complex automated systems, you might still need to refine the prompts and workflows. Overall, Pokee AI is standout because it turns what used to be manual, repetitive work into a single spoken instruction that gets done across many applications. If you spend a lot of time jumping from email to document to calendars and social apps every day, A tool like this can help you to work more efficiently and reduce the overwhelming. It's not magic, but when used well, it feels very close to having an extra assistant who understands and complete the task just like you would want. So that's my honest review on Pokee AI, the one assistant tool that claims to replace the dozens of browser tabs and daily workflows. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to work smarter, not harder. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.